Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Have you ever been wondering what's for breakfast and you have been thinking what can I make for breakfast? You can simple try this easy fruit salad. And welcome to Olayemi cooking channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. For returning viewers and new subscribers, thanks so much for your support. So I'll be using fresh strawberries to make this fruit salad. Very easy and very simple with unique taste. Some fresh oranges. So I'm using one orange. I already peel it, so I already remove it. So also I'll be using apple. I'm using green apple. You can use the red apple. Any apple you feel like using is fine. So I'll be using fresh apple to make this delicious fruit salad. Very easy and very unique with unique taste. Also, I will be using banana. You can use 2 to 3 bananas. It all depends on how you want your fruit salad to be look like. So I'll be using fresh banana as well, not frozen, fresh. I'll be using yogurt. I'll be using strawberry yogurt. I'll be using strawberry yogurt. You can use vanilla yogurt. You can use banana yogurt. Any yogurt you have available is perfectly fine for this. The yogurt we serve as the cream. So let's just start making our fruit salad. So I'm going to put all my cut fruit into my bowl. So but before that, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get updated of my new videos. So I just add my strawberry yogurt into my bowl. I'm using half cup. You can use as much as 1 cup. It all depends how you want it to look, how much you want that cream. So this yogurt will start serve as the cream on our salad. So I'm going to add my fruit into it, which is my apple. You can decide to add your fruit before you add your yogurt. Whichever method is perfectly fine. But this combination of apple, strawberry, banana, and orange with yogurt is very delicious and is very perfect for breakfast. If you are looking for something light and very rich for breakfast, this is a perfect recipe for it. It's a perfect fruit salad recipe. Very easy and is very unique in taste. So I'll just add my oranges. You can add as many oranges as you want, but I only use one orange. I just peel the back. Then it doesn't matter if you fall into your yogurt, you are going to mix everything together. So enjoy your fruit salad. So I love adding yogurt as my cream, or sometimes I use avocado as my cream. So if you don't want to use a mayonnaise as your cream, or yogurt as well can also serve as your cream. So I just add my strawberries, I add my banana, then we just proceed to the other step of this fruit salad. Very simple and very unique. Please remember to like this video, drop down a comment if you want me to make more of this fruit salad with you guys, to share more of it. Leave that a comment down below, and remember to share this fruit salad recipe with your friends. So this is the outcome. I just want to show you how it looks. Then you can just mix everything, or you can decide to be mixing it one after the other. This is the outcome after I mix it. You can see it look very creamy, and the more you can put this in the refrigerator just to allow it to cool, then you start enjoying your fruit salad. Thanks so much for watching my fruit salad. Hope to see you all in my next